I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Danish rye bread from scratch. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your sourdough starter to baking the perfect loaf. We'll focus on creating a dense, flavorful bread with a characteristic dark crust. You'll learn about the importance of a strong starter, proper mixing techniques, and the ideal fermentation process to achieve authentic results. Get ready to bake a truly satisfying and wholesome bread. Let's start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need an active sourdough starter, which you should prepare the night before by feeding it with 100 grams of rye flour and 100 milliliters of water. For the main dough, we'll use 500 grams of coarse rye flour, 100 grams of whole wheat flour, and a generous 150 grams of mixed seeds. Don't forget the dark beer and a touch of molasses for that signature flavor and color. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flours, seeds, and a tablespoon of salt. Next, add your active sourdough starter, 300 milliliters of dark beer, and 2 tablespoons of molasses. Mix everything thoroughly for about 10 to 15 minutes until you have a very sticky, uniform dough. This vigorous mixing helps develop the gluten. Transfer the dough into a greased 2-pound loaf pan, smoothing the top with wet hands. Finally, it's time to bake our beautiful rye bread. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the loaf for the first 60 minutes at this temperature. Then, reduce the heat to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 60 minutes. Once baked, remove the bread from the pan and cool it completely on a wire rack for at least 24 hours. This long cooling period is crucial for the texture and flavor to fully develop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.